Good day, students. You're welcome to our online mathematics class with Mr. Ocholo Humphrey C. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do so that you can have access to other teachings. The topic we're treating today is expansion of algebraic expressions. Expansion of algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression? That have been defined. The expressions having algebraic terms. What we're treating today is expansion in particular. Expansion is multiplication to remove the brackets. For instance, minus 2 bracket open 3a minus 5 bracket close equals minus 6a plus 10. How did we get this? Minus 2 times plus 3a in the bracket. That is, we are removing the brackets. Minus 2 times plus 3a, because a number without any sign at the back implies positive sign. Minus 2 times plus 3a gives us minus 6a, because minus times plus is minus. Then minus 2 times minus 5 gives us plus 10, because minus times minus is plus. So we shall focus on two forms of expansions, that is single brackets and double brackets. Two forms of expansion, single brackets and double brackets. The first is expansion of algebraic expressions with single brackets. This single bracket is in this form: a bracket open, b plus c bracket close. In expanding algebraic expressions, either with single brackets or double brackets, the rules for manipulating directed algebraic terms and removing brackets should be observed. The rules for manipulating directed terms. Directed algebraic terms are those ones with negative and positive signs. You have to observe those rules, which I believe you have learned when you study directed numbers. You have to observe those rules and also observe the rule of removing of brackets. Note that ABC represent different terms. Example A, that is example 1. Expand the following. A, 3 bracket open 5x minus 2y bracket close. B, minus 7 bracket open minus y plus 4z bracket close. C, 5d bracket open minus c minus 3p bracket close. Solutions. A, 3 bracket open 5x minus 2y bracket close. We now remove the bracket. 3 times 5, 5x, will give you plus 15x, that's 15x. 3 times minus 2y will give us minus 6y, because plus times minus is minus. What we have done is removing bracket. We go to B. Minus 7 bracket open, minus y plus 4z bracket close. Minus 7 times minus y will give us 7y, because minus times minus is plus. Then minus 7 times plus 4z will give us minus 28z, because minus times plus is minus. What we have done is removing bracket. C, 5d bracket open minus c minus 3p bracket close equals 5d times minus c will give us minus 5cd, because minus times plus will give us minus. Then we'll go to the next one. 5d times minus 3p, because plus times minus will give us minus, so we have 15dp. 5 times 3 is 15, plus times minus is minus. Then we now join d and p. We have succeeded in removing brackets. Next is expansion of algebraic expressions with double brackets. That is the bracket that is in this form. Bracket open, a plus b bracket close times bracket open c plus d bracket close. The ABCD stand for different terms. Example 2. Expand the following. A bracket open 2a, bracket open 2 plus 4a bracket close times bracket open 5b plus a bracket close. B bracket open x minus 3 bracket close times bracket open y minus 4 bracket close. C bracket open 1 minus s bracket close raised to power 2 or squared. Solutions. A bracket open 2 plus 4a bracket close times bracket open 5b plus a bracket close. Here we need to multiply, but in multiplication there's something we need to observe. We need to take the first term in the first bracket and multiply it with all the terms in the second bracket. We also take the second term in the first bracket and multiply with all the terms in the second bracket. That's why we have spread it this way. Equals to bracket open 5b plus a bracket close plus 4a bracket open 5b plus a bracket close. Then 2 times 5b will give us 10b. 2 times plus a will give us 2a. That's plus 2a. We go to the next bracket. Plus 4a times 5b will give us plus 20ab. Plus 4a times plus a will give us plus 4a squared. What we have done is removing brackets. Removing brackets. B, bracket open x minus 3 bracket close times bracket open y minus 4 bracket close. We also do what we did in A. Spread it this way. Equals x bracket open y minus 4 bracket close minus 3 bracket open y minus 4 bracket close. Then x times y, that's removing bracket, will give us xy. X times minus 4 will give us minus 4s. We go to the other bracket. Minus 3 times y will give us minus 3y. Then minus 3 times minus 4, because minus times minus is plus. We have plus 12. We have succeeded in removing brackets. C, bracket open 1 minus x bracket close squared. What this means is you multiply 1 minus s by 1 minus s. That's why we'll have it as squared, which gives us equals bracket open 1 minus x bracket close times bracket open 1 minus s bracket close. Then if we now spread it the way we did in A and B, we have equals 1 bracket open 1 minus x bracket close minus s bracket open 1 minus x bracket close. Then when we now begin to multiply, 1 times 1 will give us 1. 1 times minus s will give us minus x, because that one has plus, while the x has minus. We will go to the next bracket. Minus x times 1 will give us minus x. Minus s times minus x, because minus s is there and the other one has minus s. Minus times minus is plus. So minus times minus is plus, and x times s is s raised to power 2. So we'll have plus s raised to power 2. What we have done is removing bracket. Then we now collect like terms. We bring 1 down. Minus s will give us minus 2s. For instance, one person is owing you 1 naira, another person is owing you 1 naira. When you now add the two things that they are owing you, the amount that they are owing you, you get minus 2. That's what we have here, minus 2x plus x raised to power 2. That's collecting like terms. Here is the exercise for you to do.